Oh, poor Min has a fever. Look at her face, all red and hot. The thermometer says 39 degrees. But a normal body is only about 37 degrees. Something's not right. Let's find out together. The invaders. Look closely. Oh! Tiny invaders, like viruses and bacteria, are sneaking into Min's body. These are the little troublemakers that make us sick. The body responds. But don't worry. Our body has brave little defenders called the immune system. They spot the bad guys and send an emergency message to the brain. Brain raises temperature. The brain is like the boss of the body. When it hears danger is near, it says, "Time to heat things up." And boom, your body starts to get a fever. Why fever helps? But wait, fever is not the bad guy. The higher temperature makes the germs weaker and helps your immune army fight better. Fever is the body's superhero move. Stay safe when sick.
Woo!
Hooray! Min is feeling better. Remember, when you have a fever, rest. Drink lots of water. And tell a grown-up. Fever is the body's way of fighting, but we still need care. Question for you. What should you do if you have a fever? Go outside and play. B. Rest and drink water.
Yes!
Let's see what you know. What should you do if you have a fever? Write the correct answer in the comments section to see my next adventure. Dr. Meow Meow.
Goodbye!
See you soon.